Hello everyone, my name is Nicole Musariri and I'm from Zimbabwe. I was ranked 4th in my country with 58% in my performance management exam after studying for 2.5 months with Vertex Learning Solutions. I'd like to thank them for their amazing support from their WhatsApp groups to their customized study plan, which really assisted me a lot in my journey. Vertex has helped me out in the following ways. At the end of every week, we're given assignments. At the end of every chapter, we're given a quiz, and what I really loved about it is that they'll make a follow-up if your attempt wasn't so successful. And what that did for me as a student is that it motivated me to revisit some of these areas. Their courses are well structured and broken down in a manner that us students can really understand. If you had any questions about the lecture, you could ask the tutors in their WhatsApp groups and they'll respond in a timely manner. So with Vertex, you really do get value for your money.